In the world of family law, Cafcass stands as the voice of the child, the Children and Family Court Advisory and Support Service. When parents separate or divorce, Cafcass steps in to represent the best interests of the child. They investigate the family situation, talk to all parties involved, and provide recommendations to the court. Cafcass officers are highly trained professionals experienced in child development and family dynamics. Their recommendations carry significant weight in court proceedings, guiding judges in making decisions that impact a child's future. One of the most serious recommendations Cafcass can make is that a child has no contact with one parent. This is never done lightly and only when there is significant concern for the child's safety or well-being. Cafcass plays a vital role in ensuring that children's voices are heard during family court proceedings. The decisions made based on their recommendations can have a lasting impact on the lives of children and families. The decision to recommend no contact between a child and a parent is never taken lightly. Cafcass understands the importance of a relationship with both parents, but the child's safety and well-being are paramount. When there are serious concerns about a child's welfare, Cafcass may recommend no contact as a measure of protection. Domestic violence is a major red flag. If there is evidence of physical, emotional, or sexual abuse within the family, Cafcass may recommend no contact to keep the child safe from harm. This is especially true if the abusive parent has not taken responsibility for their actions or shown genuine remorse. Substance abuse is another serious issue. If a parent struggles with drug or alcohol addiction, it can impair their ability to provide a safe and stable environment for a child. Cafcass may recommend no contact until the parent has addressed their addiction and demonstrated a commitment to sobriety. Neglect is a form of child abuse where a parent or caregiver fails to meet a child's basic needs. In cases of severe or chronic neglect, Cafcass may recommend no contact to protect the child from further harm. Parental alienation is a specific form of emotional harm that a child can experience during family separations. It occurs when one parent manipulates a child into rejecting the other parent without justification. Cafcass recognizes parental alienation as a form of emotional abuse. They are trained to identify the signs, which can include a child expressing unfounded criticisms of one parent, refusing contact, or showing unwarranted fear. Identifying parental alienation can be complex, as it often involves a pattern of behaviors and interactions within the family. Cafcass officers conduct thorough interviews with the child, both parents and other relevant individuals, to understand the family dynamics. Parental alienation deprives children of a loving relationship with one parent and can have long-term emotional and psychological consequences. Cafcass takes this issue seriously and strives to protect children from its damaging effects. Navigating parental alienation steps for the alienated parent. Facing parental alienation is incredibly challenging. It's natural to feel hurt, angry, and frustrated when your child is unjustly turned against you. However, it's important to remember that your child is also a victim in this situation. Their love for you is being manipulated, and they need your understanding and support. If you believe you are a victim of parental alienation, the first step is to seek legal advice. A solicitor specializing in family law can guide you through the legal process and help you understand your rights. Documentation is key. Keep a detailed record of any instances of alienating behavior, including dates, times, and specific examples. Consider seeking therapeutic support. A therapist experienced in parental alienation can provide you with coping mechanisms and strategies for communicating with your child. Therapy can also help you address any emotional distress you may be experiencing as a result of the situation. Remember, restoring a relationship with an alienated child takes time, patience, and unwavering love. Challenging no-contact orders, seeking legal recourse. A no-contact order is a serious matter, but it's not necessarily permanent. If you believe that a no-contact recommendation from Cafcass is unjustified or that the circumstances have changed, you have the right to challenge it through the court. The first step is to instruct a solicitor. They can advise on the merits of your case and the best approach to take. This may involve gathering evidence to demonstrate that the concerns that led to the no-contact order are no longer valid, or that you have taken steps to address them. The court will always prioritize the child's best interests when deciding whether or not to lift a no-contact order. A path forward, prioritizing the child's best interests. When Cafcass recommends no contact, it's a difficult and often heartbreaking situation for everyone involved. While challenging a no-contact order is possible, it's crucial to approach the situation with sensitivity and a focus on the child's well-being. Engaging in honest self-reflection, addressing any underlying issues, and demonstrating a genuine commitment to change are essential steps towards potentially restoring contact. Ultimately, the goal should always be to create a safe, loving, and stable environment for the child.